I'm Hannah Wallace and welcome to FinextraTV. Kindly calling into our virtual studio to talk about how high-performing cloud development teams accelerate innovation is Randy Bradley, Digital Innovation Leader, Financial Services Americas at Amazon Web Services. So, Randy, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Hannah, for having me today.
It's really good to have you on. And this is a really interesting one because today financial institutions view product innovation as essential to competing with cloud-native fintech firms, don't they? So what are the opportunities then and also the challenges associated with realizing the benefits of digital transformation? Let's start there.
And the greatest opportunities and challenges for financial services institutions, or FIs, to fully realize the benefits of digital transformation reside in how they accelerate the development of new products and services that delight their customers by learning new ways of working together. Product transformation includes three key things. First is knowing what good looks like. Transitioning from large teams centered around silo-driven ownership that are project-oriented to small product-centric teams that are empowered to own, develop, and execute new customer-centric solutions enables FIs to fully realize and improve their velocity of innovation. Second are the internal processes, such as compliance, security, and risk management, need to be recalibrated so that they're pulled forward into the development lifecycle. In addition, all non-functional business practices that touch product execution, which are typically project-based, need to also be aligned in the lean agile product development lifecycle. Third, and most importantly, decision-making needs to be pushed downward into the hands of product leaders, aligned to corporate objectives and key results.
All right, that's interesting. So could you highlight then for our audience some initiatives required for organizational transformation in order to be successful, and especially when attempting to create new products and iterate on insights? What about that?
High-performing software product development enterprises exhibit four durable competencies that consistently drive operational excellence. First is product management, which can be defined as the role and function within your organization that is responsible and accountable for a product's overall success. High-performing enterprises have dedicated product teams with a product owner who owns the entire end-to-end customer experience lifecycle. The product owner works with a small group of dedicated cross-functional resources, including developers, UX, DevSecOps engineers, and quality control testers, creating better customer experiences by being customer-obsessed and iterating constantly. For example, at Amazon, we have organized our product teams into what we call two pizza teams. There's a single-threaded owner, a product manager, with a dedicated team of resources that owns what it builds. This product team has full responsibility and accountability for delighting their customer, relentlessly improving on that customer's experience. When a product team becomes too large to be fed by two pizzas, we split that team into two separate product teams. This ensures that the product teams stay lean, focused, and free of bureaucratic processes that slow down innovation. The second durable competency are lean agile methods, which can be defined as those processes that empower your cross-functional product teams to increase speed by managing their workflow and priorities. High-performing enterprises leverage lean agile to empower multiple work streams to work towards a common mission, leveraging common tools and business agile thinking practices. And FIs who have adopted a cultural mindset at both the team and individual level actively measure OKRs, outcomes and key results, for continuous improvement using balanced scorecards that are integrated tightly into sprint and release processes. A good example is Standard Chartered, who has organized permanent cross-functional teams around specific customer or business outcomes. In a 2021 Forrester Research Future Fit white paper about digital innovation, Standard Chartered was cited for its agile transformation program successes. For the past 2 years, it has been scaling agile practices across business and technology. Now nearly 1,000 agile squads support corporate and retail banking client journeys, working in new ways enabled by business OKR scorecards, and resulting in increased customer satisfaction and accelerated time to market execution. The third durable competency is DevSecOps. It can be defined as a software development methodology that brings together developers, operations, security, compliance, and risk management with a shared passion to achieve common goals. High-performing product development teams embrace practices that shift security and risk management left early into the development lifecycle, with well-defined continuous integration and continuous deployment practices. They are capable of completing automated software release workflows and artifacts and instantiate a security as code culture. The fourth durable competency is release management. It can be defined as that process that enables efficient execution of new product deployments across multiple work streams. High-performing enterprises have well-defined release-based practices necessary to deliver new products on a predictable basis. They have the procedures and mechanisms in place to ensure that multiple work streams are aligned both horizontally across multiple product teams and vertically aligned to corporate objectives portfolios. Customers like Allianz, who have adopted Essential Scaled Agile framework, an open source practice, have embraced release management practices that provide them the mechanisms for building portfolios and aligning responsibilities that achieve their corporate goals for customer centricity, speed, and quality of new product innovation.
Brilliant. Well, Randy, you've certainly provided a very good recipe for organizational transformation there. So in summary then, what do financial institutions, product teams need to succeed? And also, what does this entail? Let's finish on that.
For FIs to fully optimize their digital transformation initiatives and to compete with native cloud-based fintech firms, they need to accelerate their rate of new product innovation by empowering employees to learn new ways of working together. FIs need to consider transitioning from large teams to small product cross-functional teams that are customer obsessed and empowered to own, develop, and execute new product innovation aligned to objectives and key results value creation. By committing to develop new muscles around how cross-functional product teams work together collaboratively and focusing on the four durable competencies of high-performing enterprises: product management, lean agile, DevSecOps, and release management, FIs will improve the velocity and quality of new product innovation, delight their customers with new value creation, and deliver increased shareholder value.
Well, Randy, thank you so much for calling and sharing your insights. You've explained that very well, and we've learned a lot about how high-performing cloud development teams can accelerate innovation. I look forward to speaking further down the line and reflecting on those comments. But for now, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hannah. It's been great being here.